White House release published Thursday, January 8, 2026. What they are saying: Trump administration puts real food first in dietary guidelines. The Trump administration has released new dietary guidelines, marking the most significant change in federal nutrition policy in decades. The guidelines focus on real food, not ultra-processed foods, added sugars, or refined carbohydrates. The goal is to restore common sense and science to health policy, placing real food at the center of preventing chronic disease and promoting lifelong wellness. Medical and public health leaders praised the move. The American Academy of Pediatrics highlighted the focus on child nutrition and whole, minimally processed foods. The American College of Cardiology welcomed the emphasis on whole fruits and vegetables, healthy fats, and limiting added sugars. The American Farm Bureau Federation thanked the administration for recognizing farmers and ranchers and emphasizing high-quality protein, dairy, and fresh produce. The American Medical Association applauded the guidelines for spotlighting the dangers of highly processed foods and excess sugar. The American Heart Association supported the focus on vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and limiting added sugars and saturated fats. The American Hospital Association said good nutrition is essential for preventing disease and supporting long-term health. The Consumer Brands Association expressed interest in working with the administration as the guidelines inform food policy. The Environmental Working Group said reducing refined grains and sugar-sweetened foods would improve public health. FARA, a food allergy research group, praised recommendations on early introduction of foods to prevent allergies. Industry leaders also responded. The International Dairy Foods Association praised the central role of dairy. The International Fresh Produce Association highlighted the focus on fruits and vegetables. The Meat Institute was pleased with the recommendation for protein from meat and poultry. The National Cattlemen's Beef Association said the guidelines help families understand beef's nutritional value. Other groups welcomed the guidelines' approach to alcohol, treats, and affordable protein options. The National Confectioners Association supported the message that chocolate and candy are treats to be enjoyed in moderation. The Natural Products Association highlighted the focus on nutrient-dense diets. The North American Blueberry Council emphasized eating whole foods like blueberries. The Plant-Based Food Association was pleased that plant-based proteins are included as part of a healthy diet. Academic and medical experts also voiced support. Dr. Andrew Huberman of Stanford University supported the inclusion of foods like oatmeal, rice, and sourdough. Dr. Dariush Mozaffarian of Tufts University called the recommendation to eat fewer highly processed foods a positive move for public health. Agricultural groups such as the Texas and Southwestern Cattle Raisers Association and United Egg Producers thanked officials for recognizing animal proteins and eggs as essential nutrients. State leaders also commented. Arkansas Governor Sarah Huckabee Sanders thanked federal leaders for putting science and real nutrition at the forefront of health policy. Oklahoma Governor Kevin Stitt supported meat and dairy at the top of the food pyramid. Authors and advocates responded as well. Mark Sisson noted that nutrient-dense foods and healthy fats from whole foods are now in the guidelines, with recommendations for eggs, seafood, meats, and full-fat dairy. Dr. Paul Saladino said red meat, animal foods, and saturated fat are not to be feared. Vani Hari called the new food pyramid a great fit for her community. Thanks for listening. The full source material for this summary is in the description below.